Welcome to Reviews Heaven, your ultimate destination for in-depth product reviews and recommendations. Today, we're diving into the world of spiralizers, the must-have gadgets for creating delicious and nutritious vegetable noodles. In this video, we'll unveil the top 6 spiralizers on the market, each offering unique features to suit your spiralizing needs. From versatility to ease of use, we'll cover it all to help you make an informed decision. Whether you're a health-conscious foodie or a culinary enthusiast looking to add flair to your dishes, we've got you covered. Get ready to embark on a journey of culinary creativity as we explore the best spiralizers to elevate your kitchen experience. Stay tuned as we guide you through our top picks, helping you make the perfect choice for your spiralizing adventures. Let's dive in and discover the spiralizer that suits your needs best, right here on Reviews Heaven. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on all our latest reviews and recommendations. Number 1. Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Vegetable Spiralizer and Slicer. We're exploring the innovative Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Vegetable Spiralizer and Slicer, which effortlessly transforms your veggies into delightful spirals and ribbons. This electric spiralizer comes equipped with 3 cutting cones, enabling you to create vegetable spaghetti, linguine, or ribbons with ease. Whether you're craving a healthy zoodle dish or experimenting with new recipes, this spiralizer is your kitchen's new best friend. What sets the Hamilton Beach Spiralizer apart is its efficiency and convenience. With a large 2.5-inch round chute, you can process whole fruits and vegetables without the hassle of pre-cutting, saving you precious time and effort in the kitchen. Cleanup is a breeze with this spiralizer. All removable parts are dishwasher safe, and a handy cleaning brush is included for quick cleanup of the cutting cones. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and hello to more time enjoying your culinary creations. Customers are raving about the Hamilton Beach Spiralizer's speed, ease of use, and versatility. Many praise its compact size, fast operation, and built-in safety features, making it a standout choice for transforming vegetables into delicious meals. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, the Hamilton Beach 3-in-1 Electric Vegetable Spiralizer and Slicer is your ticket to healthy and creative cooking. Get yours today and elevate your culinary adventures with ease. Number 2. KitchenAid Fruit and Vegetable Spiralizer Attachment. Now, we're exploring the KitchenAid Fruit and Vegetable Spiralizer Attachment, a powerful addition to your KitchenAid stand mixer that brings a new level of versatility to your culinary adventures. Designed to connect seamlessly to any household KitchenAid stand mixer, this spiralizer attachment is your gateway to endless culinary creativity. With 5 quick change blades, including options for spiralizing, slicing, and peeling, the possibilities are limitless. Crafted with premium metal construction, this attachment promises durable, long-lasting performance, providing stability and ease of use when attached to your stand mixer. Plus, with its own storage case, keeping your blades and accessories organized has never been simpler. Customers are singing praises for the KitchenAid Spiralizer attachment's quality, ease of use, and convenience. Many applaud its ability to tackle tough tasks effortlessly, from spiralizing fruits and vegetables to slicing and peeling with precision. Whether you're whipping up zucchini pasta or exploring new culinary horizons, the KitchenAid Spiralizer attachment delivers exceptional results with every use. Its versatility, ease of cleaning, and compact design make it a must-have tool for any kitchen. Elevate your culinary creations with the KitchenAid Fruit and Vegetable Spiralizer Attachment. Unlock new flavors and possibilities with the power of your KitchenAid stand mixer. Number 3. OXO Good Grips 3-Blade Tabletop Spiralizer. Designed to simplify your meal prep and add a touch of creativity to your dishes, this compact gadget promises to revolutionize the way you approach fruits and vegetables. With 3 stainless steel blades at your disposal, this tabletop spiralizer allows you to effortlessly create uniform spirals for a variety of culinary delights, from curly fries to refreshing salads. Its versatility knows no bounds, offering options for spaghetti, fettuccine, and ribbon-cut noodles to suit your every craving. What sets the OXO Good Grips Spiralizer apart is its thoughtful design and practicality. The removable blade box keeps your blades clean, safe, and organized when not in use, while the Stronghold suction cup ensures non-slip stability on your countertops, making spiralizing a breeze. Customers can't stop raving about the OXO Good Grips Spiralizer's grip, ease of use, and quality construction. From its sharp blades to its innovative storage solutions, this gadget earns high marks for its ability to simplify meal prep and inspire culinary creativity. Say goodbye to tedious slicing and chopping, and hello to effortless spiralizing with the OXO Good Grips 3-blade Tabletop Spiralizer. Elevate your meals and unleash your creativity with this compact kitchen essential. Number 4. Braun MQ5064 Spiralizer Multiquick. With its unique design and powerful 400-watt German-engineered motor, the Braun MQ5064 offers a remarkable 35% faster spiraling than any other standalone electric spiralizer. Its Vario-Speed technology and 21 distinct speeds put precise control at your fingertips, ensuring optimal results with every use. Equipped with 3 versatile spiraling blades, this spiralizer lets you effortlessly create narrow, medium, and wide spirals to suit a variety of dishes. But that's not all. With additional blade attachments, it transforms into a 5-cup chopper, a 5-cup blender, ice crusher, or a hand blender, offering unparalleled multifunctionality for your kitchen endeavors. Customers can't stop singing praises for the Braun MQ5064's quality, performance, and ease of cleaning. From spiralizing to chopping and blending, this kitchen companion delivers exceptional results with minimal effort. While some users mention minor challenges with larger veggies, most find its versatility and efficiency unmatched. Whether you're whipping up zoodles for a healthy pasta alternative or crafting delicious salads with spiralized veggies, the Braun MQ5064 is your ultimate culinary companion. Its sleek design, powerful performance, and multifunctional versatility make it a must-have for every kitchen. Elevate your culinary creations and simplify your meal prep with the Braun MQ5064 Spiralizer Multiquick. Say goodbye to tedious chopping and hello to effortless spiralizing. Number 5. Bella 4-in-1 Automatic Electric Spiralizer. Now, we're unraveling the convenience and efficiency of the Bella 4-in-1 Automatic Electric Spiralizer and Slicer, a versatile kitchen companion designed to simplify your meal prep and elevate your culinary creations. With the Bella Spiralizer, healthy eating becomes a breeze. Effortlessly transform fruits and veggies into vibrant spaghetti, noodles, or ribbons, offering a gluten-free, flavor-packed alternative to traditional pasta. Say goodbye to mundane meals and hello to colorful culinary delights. What sets the Bella Spiralizer apart is its hands-free cutting feature. Simply insert your produce, lock it in place, and watch as the spiralizer works its magic. With dishwasher-safe removable parts and a hard bristle cleaning brush included, cleanup is a breeze, leaving your hands clear of the sharp cutting mechanism. Customers can't stop raving about the Bella Spiralizer's performance, speed, and value. Whether it's zucchini noodles or curly fries, this electric marvel delivers consistent results with minimal effort. While some users have noted minor challenges with cleaning and sharpness, the majority applaud its ease of use and efficiency. From streamlining your meal prep to inspiring culinary creativity, the Bella Spiralizer is a kitchen essential for every home chef. Its sleek design and multifunctional versatility make healthy eating fun and convenient. Elevate your culinary experience and embrace healthy living with the Bella 4-in-1 Automatic Electric Spiralizer and Slicer. Say goodbye to boring meals and hello to vibrant flavors. Number 6. Brieftons 5-blade Vegetable Spiralizer. Crafted with unparalleled strength and superior functionality, the Brieftons Spiralizer stands tall as a beacon of quality and innovation. Featuring 5 Japanese stainless steel blades and a sturdy construction, this spiralizer guarantees unmatched performance with every use. Say goodbye to mundane meals and hello to a world of endless culinary possibilities. With the Brieftons Spiralizer, you receive not only a cutting-edge kitchen tool but also a complete spiralizing bundle, including an extra blade caddy for safe storage, comprehensive user manual, and exclusive digital cookbooks brimming with mouth-watering recipes. But don't just take our word for it. Customers across the country are singing praises for the Brieftons Spiralizer. From its ease of use to its exceptional suction power, users commend its ability to effortlessly transform vegetables into delectable pasta alternatives and vibrant salads. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a culinary novice, the Brieftons Spiralizer empowers you to create healthy, flavorful meals with ease. From zucchini noodles to colorful coleslaw, unleash your culinary creativity and savor the joys of homemade goodness. Join the ranks of satisfied customers and embark on a journey of culinary excellence with the Brieftons 5-blade Vegetable Spiralizer. Elevate your cooking experience, redefine your mealtime rituals, and embrace a healthier, more vibrant lifestyle today. In conclusion, all these spiralizers stand as a testament to quality, versatility, and culinary innovation. With glowing testimonials from satisfied customers and unparalleled features, these are the ultimate kitchen companions. Transform your meals, embrace healthier choices, and elevate your cooking experience with these spiralizers. Thanks for watching. If you found these reviews helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more insightful product reviews. Until next time, happy spiralizing with Reviews Heaven.